Everybody recommends Talkpal AI when someone wants to learn a new language. And honestly, it's a solid tool. But here's the problem. A lot of users sign up, use it for a few weeks, and realize it doesn't fit the way they actually learn. That's why people are searching for Talkpal AI alternatives right now. Not because Talkpal is bad, because different tools solve different problems. So if you're thinking about stopping Talkpal AI, here are some alternatives that might actually work better for you. First, Duolingo. Yeah, everyone knows it, but there's a reason it's still huge. If you're a complete beginner, Duolingo makes learning feel like a game. Short lessons, streaks, rewards, it keeps people consistent. The downside, great for basics, not great for real conversations. Next, Babbel. Babbel feels more serious. Instead of focusing on games, it focuses on real-life conversations and practical language skills. A lot of professionals prefer it because lessons feel more useful in everyday situations, especially if you're learning for work or travel. Now let's talk about the AI tool growing fast, Practica AI. This one is getting a lot of attention because it uses AI avatars and realistic speaking practice. Instead of chatting with a simple AI bot, it feels closer to talking with a virtual tutor. For speaking confidence, it's honestly impressive. Another underrated option is Elsa Speak. If pronunciation is your biggest weakness, Elsa is one of the best tools available. It listens to how you speak and points out exactly what sounds wrong. A lot of English learners love it because it's extremely focused. Now, here's a newer option, Langua. This tool is quietly becoming popular among AI language learners. It focuses heavily on AI conversations and immersion. If you like the idea of Talkpal but want a different experience, Langua is worth checking out. And finally, if your goal is pure conversation practice, try using AI chat tools directly. Many people now practice languages using ChatGPT style tools because they can create unlimited role plays, business conversations, interview practice, and travel scenarios. Now, let's be honest. The biggest mistake people make isn't choosing Talkpal AI. It's expecting one app to do everything. Language learning usually needs vocabulary, listening, speaking, pronunciation, consistency. No single tool perfectly covers all five. Quick breakdown. Duolingo equals best for beginners. Babbel equals practical conversations. Practica equals AI tutor experience. Elsa equals pronunciation improvement. Langua equals AI conversation practice. So, should you stop using Talkpal AI? Maybe, but only if another tool fits your learning style better. Because the best language app isn't the most popular one. It's the one you actually use every day.